We're all going to be in for a shock this week as autumn gives way to winter. Ahead of that, though, we're going to have some more stormy, wet and windy weather, and the rain, where we've already got the saturated ground, is going to probably lead to further flooding. It's not until we get to the end of the week and the weekend that it will turn much cooler for all of us. So for the time being then, it's areas of low pressure still governing our weather. Here's one for Tuesday heading its way in from the west, and it's going to be in those areas where we really don't want it. Southwest Scotland, northwest England, Wales, Northern Ireland as well. So the risk of flooding, certainly. It'll start off fairly dry for the morning, but here comes that rain heading its way ever eastwards. To the north, a little weather front will give some rain in the far north of Scotland, but central areas of Scotland, Aberdeen, may well stay dry all day. Now, it's still going to be very mild with that wet and windy weather. Temperatures in the south, 13 to 15 degrees, a little bit cooler to the north, but where we would expect it for this time of year. Once we get into Wednesday, there's another area of low pressure, this time coming in a bit further to the north, but still catching most of those flood-prone areas. So a rather blustery day, the rain coming in across northern areas, leaving the south fairly dry for much of the day, but that rain will head its way southwards later on. Still those temperatures well above average in the south, 12 to 14 degrees. As we go through into Thursday, though, things begin to change. Behind this weather front here, we bring in more cold air from the north, from the Arctic, and that is going to gradually work its way southwards. So on Thursday, still some rain, those temperatures still fairly high, but gradually the colder air working its way in. Just take a look what happens Friday into the weekend. The blues really asserting themselves across many parts of the United Kingdom, both by day and by night. So some really cold air working its way down. So Friday, Saturday have the winter thermals at the ready. As you can see, temperatures in London by Saturday, only 5 degrees. And when you add in the effect of the wind, it's going to feel much colder than that. Now, when you have temperatures by day only a couple of degrees above freezing, if we see any precipitation, it could well fall as snow. I don't think it'll accumulate at low levels, but certainly at high levels we may see some snow turning up. We will, of course, keep you updated on this. And if that wasn't enough, by night, a real harsh frost Saturday night. These are the temperatures for the cities. So in rural areas, it will be even colder than that. So as I said, winter is arriving. If you want to keep up to date when it's coming in, check with us at the Weather Network UK.